Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace or refurbish your laptop battery pack. Here's my laptop's battery pack. It's a VGP BPS2C. It's a Sony Vaio laptop battery pack. It's 6 years old now, so getting a bit used and old, and I will show you how to replace. So here is the battery. These are the small lithium cells inside the battery. What you will need is a screwdriver with Torx tip. I'm using this kit because this type of battery has small Torx screws here. Different types maybe don't have any screw in it, just only glue for the enclosure. I use this light to check the loaded condition of the battery, and the multimeter. It's advised to have. So let's see. This is 4 screws. And to open it, it's a little bit challenging, but you will need a flat screwdriver. I have already opened this and the batteries are replaced, so you will need some similar technique. Now it looks like easy, but it's more difficult because manufacturer applies some glue to the mine as well. Take care not to make any short circuits during this operation, because lithium cells store a lot of energy and could make fire as well. Take care. And your hand also. Okay. Almost. Okay. Here is some glue, resin. This is the insulator next to the electronics. Put it back. So actually, the green ones are those are the refurbished cells, the new lithium-ion cells, and those are the originals that I already replaced. I will show you the difference. So if you take this multimeter in volt, in 20 volt measurement now. This cell is superb. It's 3.7 volt almost, and another one is 0.2. Many times it's okay to we can judge from the voltage that one of my cells is defective, but it's a more reliable way to use a light. So I'm connecting the light to the cell and it doesn't light up. Yes, and this is a healthy cell. Usually this battery pack implies 6 cells, and usually only a few of them dies. But it influences the whole battery pack performance. So if you take a look at the whole battery pack, Actually, this is a 12 volt light from my car. One of the functions is defective. So here we got the almost 12 volt. And yeah, the most interesting thing is to replace those cells. Again, take care not to make any short circuit. Yeah, this is my new cell. I'm a little bit modified it because it's not the original way, but you will see in your battery pack how can you make it easy to connect the batteries and which is the best way to replace them. I didn't want it to use solder iron here because space is so tight between the cells, and I find the contact is reliable and good in this mechanical way. That was the original. Anyway, here is the charging electronics. This is the this connects the laptop and the battery. This connector. This is the plus, and this is the negative side of the battery, and those batteries are connected in parallel. So if you connect in parallel, then you will get more current, but the same voltage. So it is 3.7, 3.7, 3.7 multiplied by 3, and this is the battery voltage, which is written here. It's 11.1 volt, and this is the capacity of the battery pack. And another interesting thing, that when you change your batteries, it's advised to make a calibration of the battery pack. You can make it from your laptop. Some of the laptops are supported make it from the BIOS setup, but you can easily make it by full charging and full discharging the laptop, and the electronics will learn the new capacity of the batteries. So here are my battery pack. Yeah, it's empty right now, so I'm on the calibration, in a calibration process. This is one pair, the middle pair, and the last section. I have to full charge it, and hopefully I will get the good capacity now. Thank you for watching this, and good luck for your replacing. Have fun. Bye bye.